Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to AGrader. Here's what to expect. Today we have with us an experienced science curriculum writer, Ms. Jodie, who will share with us what a Primary 5 student should be revising for science in June. So Jodie, what will you be telling us this month?
Okay, as it is the school holidays, so the school should be completed with the cycles team and halfway through the systems team. Also, students should be familiar with the following concepts shown in the table here. Okay, these concepts were mentioned during the previous month's video, so do refer to the videos for more information about the concepts.
Okay, so what do you have for us today then?
Okay, for today's video, we will be introducing to you answering techniques for Primary 5 experimental free response questions. So let's look at this question. For part A, they are asking for the aim of the experiment. In order to answer such questions about aim, students must first identify the change variable, which is also called the independent variable, and the measured variable, which is also called the dependent variable. In order to identify change variable, students have to look out for something different in the experiment. Sometimes it is mentioned clearly in the question itself. In this case, based on observation, you can see that different containers is the change variable. However, it must be inferred to something scientific and it must be something specific. So in this case, the specific change variable is actually the exposed surface area of a container, as containers can mean many things, different size or different colors. Alright, so to identify measured variable, they have to look for something that is measured, recorded or observed, and it must be inferred to something scientific as well. So in this case, the amount of water left in each container is being measured, as shown in the question. So, but this is not a scientific link to the change variable, which is the exposed surface area. Thus, they need to infer that the amount of water left in the container actually indicates how much water has evaporated from the container. So in this case, the measured variable is actually about rate of evaporation of water. And since we are determining relationship between change and measured variables, we have to use the word how to answer the aim question. So to answer aim questions like this one here, we have to start out with the phrase to find out, and then we input the change variable and the measured variables into the answer. Thus, the answer would be to find out how, because it's a relationship aim, the exposed surface area, your change variable, affects the rate of evaporation of water, which is our measured variable. Okay, for question B, whenever a question requires a choice or an explanation, you have to make the choice using your understanding of science concept. So in this case, container A would actually have the least volume of water left if the students understand that more exposed surface area will lead to a faster rate of evaporation. So for these explanation questions, since that there is no results provided in the question, there are two steps. First step is to state the observation, which is the water in container A has the greatest exposed surface area, and link it to a science concept taught in class, which is resulting in the fastest rate of evaporation of water. Hence, they will have the least amount of water left.
Okay, so remembering these answering techniques will definitely help the students to score in exams. So we hope that this has been useful for you. Thank you very much.
To watch more of such videos and information to help your child improve and learn ahead of others in school,
visit our website www.agrader.sg, click on this button, fill in your email address and receive all these useful videos straight in your inbox for free,
as well as the latest in promotions, so that you don't lose out on great deals with AGrader Learning Center.